Hey, I'm Joe Midkiff with Tharp Robbins Company, now Engage to Excel. I want to show you some of the things that have changed this year. When you receive your gifts, you're going to get a couple of things different, a couple of things that are the same. One of the things that's the same is your barcode scanner. So you'll have your barcode scanner plug into the USB port. When you hear that noise, you're ready to scan. The next thing that's slightly different is the speakers. We have a different set of speakers that are a little louder. They plug into the USB port and the earphone jack, so they're a little bit louder. You should be able to hear the tones a little bit better. Another thing that is different is the carton ID barcode. That barcode, there's one barcode on the outside of the carton, and you'll scan that. That will receive all the gifts inside your carton instead of having to pick up and scan every gift. So this should save you a lot of time. Okay, so what happens different this year, we'll open the Excel spreadsheet. This is kind of the same, scan the next packing slip number. So I go in here and I'll scan each packing slip. And you didn't hear that tone because I was talking, so I'll be quiet during this next tone. But that received all of the gifts that were in that carton. Okay, there's the good cartons, here's a bad carton. So, or a bad barcode. If I scan something and the barcode drops a number, it'll sound like that. So the way we now look into the spreadsheet, as I close this using the red X, and I'll go over to the Query Data tab, and I can now see that those awards have been received. So it is scanned. We only scanned three good barcodes there, but you see all of these good received items that were in that barcode, in those cartons. If I look back here, I can mess around with this spreadsheet when I'm in unprotected mode. See, this says protect, so I'm actually in unprotected. So somebody asked last year if we could sort by manager. So you see Tom Larson, Eric Kattenkam, and if I select that tab, pull that down and select just Tom Larson, I can only look at Tom Larson's gifts. So you can see Tom's got that many, and if I look a little further down, that's the gifts received for Tom. One thing you have to be careful when you do that is if you select something like that, it's going to stay selected, and it will, so you need to probably save a backup copy of this file somewhere so that if something gets changed that you can't get out of, you can always go back to that backup file. Another thing, before you go back to your main spreadsheet, if you want to see everything, select all of these names. So anything you change around, you got to remember what you did. It's a little bit dangerous, but you can always go to that backup file. Call me too if you have any problems, and I can maybe help you through anything like that. My cell phone number is 704-881-3087, and I'll keep it with me for the next month or two while you guys are opening gifts or having any kind of problems. Just give me a call. You can email me at jmidkiff, M-I-D-K-I-F-F, at Engage to Excel. It's the number 2, Engage, the number 2, Excel.com, and I'll help you any way I can.